Like, like so. で、こう。こうだ。Like so. Like so. で、こう。こうだ。Like so. はい。今のがトスペックスですね。And this is the closing version, right? 開いたやつ。
On the open version,
これは、これなんです。
and it becomes like so.
これです。So it's the same. 下段、上段、右、ストレートね。はい。Naked. Forward. That. What do we think? Go.
And this suppresses here with the left hand.
Feels.
You're thrusting into their neck.
That. この球をそのままに、左の球だけをちょっと。
And so leave the right hand as it is and raise the left up to have this guard as you travel backwards.
Welcome.
Like so.
One thing is true. 鎌を携帯するときは、
When you're carrying this, you actually do it like so.
刀を
So you put the swords in your belt like so, and you put the kama behind you like this.
で、一電流はこの棒の長さの、それが一尺八寸、
We have this let the bow, which is ishaku hasu,
脇差しとね。
same as about wakizashi. Okay?
We put those in.
So you press from here with the left hand out and catch the right.
Hey. 二刀との違い、
The point of difference when doing this with two swords is
刀の場合はまずここが肌としてね。
so this is like the edge, right?
だ、
With
最初に
swords.
こう受ける。
With swords, you receive with the edge,
こうつけ。
and then it goes like so, like we did last
で
time.、
こうでいい。
In the case of swords, that's how you.
鎌の場合は
However, in the case of sickles,
剣と同じ手
the,
で受けると、こうなっちゃう。
with the edge, it's going to end up doing this. So that if you do the way of doing it with two swords, it's going to end up wrong. When you receive, the points point towards the ground.
変えて。
Turn them pointing upward, and then switch.
で、こうじゃなくて
And、not like this, not striking into the top of his head. Scrape the tip along his face. Like so, and down along his face.
これを押さえて。
And this, the left hand suppresses their sword. And like so.
ね、同じテクニックなんですけど、
It's the same technique, but
動きで動きが変わる。
you're going to change, basically you're going to adapt it for the features of the weapon.
鎌のいいところは、到達が早いという。
So the strength of the kata is the speed of its.
刀だったらこんだけ時間かかるものが、鎌はここで終わる。
So if you're striking with with a weapon that needs to be extended out,
こういう時間がかかるものが、
this will take time. However, because of this shape, it's going to be faster.
鎌の難しいところは、この動きがね。
The difficulty in the kama is this turning of the wrists like so. But the advantage is the fact that because the blade is ahead of the sit, it's going to get there that much faster.
刀だったらこれでいいわけ。
So it's fine with swords wrestling like that because it's an edge weapon.
だけど鎌はこういう形
So
を
because you have the blade and the length of the angle when you
多分
receive,
良くない。
this is not good. Turning it, not turning it is good. You have to turn it like so and use it like so.
鎌の優れたところは、これが負けるというね。
Like so, you can hook.
ね。こういうテクニック。
you get this sort of technique because of this 90-degree
これは
fixture of the
刀よ
blade.
りもよくかかるんです。そう。
So there's a lot of techniques that use this distinctive feature called the kama.
はい。
Okay?
はい。手が違うとこね。手が違う。
You have this point of difference with the hands,
お
like so. Points down with the edge,
はい。で
and then reverse and scrape.
はい。
Then return like before. This side the points are at the enemy. Drop and finish it. Right here, so a bash this like 1, 2. So it's not the arm. The movement is generated with the hips. Straight down. Right here, so a bash this like 1, 2.
で、腰で見ることね。で、
So it's not the arm. The movement is generated with the hips. Straight down.
はい。OK。
This technique, this wrist drop.
こっちの人があんまりダランって下げちゃうと、これだけになっちゃうんで、
So it would end up just with
一応
this.
固定を切るっての、落とすってのを使わせてあげる方ですね。だから、このくらいでキープしといて。
So as a person with a technique, don't knock it all the way up. They're not gonna have it completely out of place, right? It's called wrist drop. So ideally, they're gonna end with their left hand still in front of their center line.
で、ここでキープしないと、
If you don't
この次教える技のね、切り返しにつながっていかない。
So as an arranged technique, right? You want as the sankaku to keep your left wrist forward. Don't let it go completely here. So that when they drop the signal, it's going to land on this left wrist in line with the center line. If you don't do it this way, we're not going to be able to do the next part, the next technique based on this.
今言った通りね、
You hold it loosely.
残さないことと、これをだらっと落とさない。
So in other words, don't do either extreme. Don't brace. Don't be completely loose.
固定を落とすって方が一つ成り立ってるんですけど、次の技が、ここから切り返すので、こういう癖とか、ここで頑張ってる人は、次が相手の力を使って技を起こすので、自力になっちゃうんで、いい技が次出なくなっちゃうけど。
So if you are blocked, right, and you fly away, that's not good. If you brace because you know what's going to happen, that's no good. It's somewhere in the middle in terms of your tension, so that when we do the next technique, you can use their reaction to power your technique. You're not using your own power. Sometimes you're using the using the counteraction to his action to generate force, like you're springing off, like a ricochet.
Oh, good.
Like so. See where his left wrist is in front of his body? Belt side.
So
it's a variation or variation of what we just did.
今度はね、はい、さっき言ってた、ね、
So as I said before,
今度は当てられた
hit. He's going to use the reaction of your impact to swing over
水平にほぼ
from his overhead from his right to his left to cut your right side, your right hip. That's belt side.
はい、そうだ。ですよ。今度
Back of the handle.
これ、
Not like this. So you strike back of the handle once, twice, and then point in.
what you would do, like here,
I'm gonna bounce
like so.
and the left leg advances in.
で、こっちに行くのが大事ね。
This area is position is important.
そう、ここに
So he's gonna enter in the space. You have this opening in the space, and then I'm gonna kiss.
ここにいたら、you find
Don't be compacted in. This positioning is important. 1, 2, like that.
neck twist.
So you just you turning through the air.
はい。そう。
Watch my feet.
One.
He's twisting his hips and pivoting on the feet. Okay?
こう使うんですけど、
You use it like so.
収めるときは
When you're finished,
この中に入れる。
you basically have these three fingers out. You have this opening here.
でさ、こういうポジショニングは全体に開かないでください。Hold on.
So please don't mess up the grip. It will fly.
閉じたり開いたりするのはこの3本だけ。
So when you're opening it, you open the three fingers.
で、こう回し、
And you swing like this.
こうしたこの3本の中に、
And then as you catch, you open with the three fingers and you collect. Okay?
収め方は今の収め方が一つ。
So this way of finishing the swing, this is one way.
それともう一つは、
One more is
こう引き取った場合に、
as you pull like
挟み
so,
込ませていく。
come into this position, hustle.
で、霞ね。
That's like a swing. Right?
で、この3本だ。
And these three fingers are open and
下へ落として、
and then
ここで倒れ
from and then it like so.
で、まず一つ目の素振りや。
So let's do the first basic swing.
はい。ここから、
From here,
そうです。
like so. Project it forward.
で、
Like,
右体側で、で、
so project forward and swing down. The weight is traveling in this fashion. Top to bottom.
数値込み、
Take a right step
回
back,
逆。
then reverse so that weight is going upwards.
で、ここで釣り合
And
う。
from here, collect.
で、一つ終わる。
And then that's the first 10.
で、一番ね、最初にやる。
That's the very first one.
はい。
Okay, watch
だ
again.
から
From here,
Yeah.
right foot forwards, project the weapon forward. This is the weight is swinging down. From here, stop, reverse the motion, then catch.
今度振り方変えます。
So we're going to change how we're swinging.
はい。あや振りで、
So
結構同じですけど、こう出した後、
send it out, and now we're going to do a figure of eight. One,
ね、で、あとこう同じ。で、こうね、
like so.
はい。腰入れたい。よし、なく。そうですね。
Okay?
はい。今度は両
So this time, you're holding both hands next to here,
このまま、
and directly, like so.
で、最後。はい、finally clear。ね、
Good. Okay?
こっちを変えます。
This is out. Release the left hand, the lead hand is jump, and swing it around behind the head and across as you change the feet.
はい。で、大丈
Just cross.
夫。大丈夫。まっすぐ。これ
Straight down here, and then here together. Okay, see it's collected in his hands like this?
はい。Come on. Like so. はい。で、バック。
Okay, stick them.
Come on. That's, you know. 必ずこの構え。
So obviously,
こうなったりしま
absolutely don't be like this, have it across your body as a guard.
す。でこのままの角度で、
And directly with the same line, that's what you're going to swing along.
ここからすくいま
From
す。
here you swing and catch at your left hip.
で、
Then swing across the hips and left step in, catching the weight on the crook of the shoulder, and then stepping around and swing behind you.
で、
And so,
で、ポーズ。
then like so.
だからしたら、
Easy, right?
yeah, I know I'm making use. How hard to do. Read. Try to know where it's trained. Now, I'm trying. Thank you.
So with
これ、
the chain in the right hand,
落とす。
so left leg forward, right hand down. Swing it across, over and back, catching it on your arms. Left step forward, bring it on the crook of the left hand.
まだ後ろから、
I will step behind him, come about take. So I'm here, he needs to respond to me so that he can free do that,
2月で、
right?
前練習はやっぱりですけど、サウス。
Slowly, with the right hand. Right step forward, over and back. Catch. Catching on forward, left step around. He uses his left foot as the axis and swings his right leg around. So come back at me, flat behind. Okay? And then in doing this,
で、これをね、バックで使った場合は、2。
and if you're going backwards, you would do it like this.
またちょっと違う。
So over here, right step in, catch.
進ん
One
だ場
hand
合
with the left hand.
は
As you advance the left leg, you swing it around and catch it in the front of the left
なおさら
elbow.
短い。
Okay, here. Okay?
だ
Now,
からターン。
turning around, he basically ball behind him and he swings from right to left and then advances in.
だけど、
However,
こう使って、
do it like so.
バックの場合、これでいくんだ。
Swing, you're going to have to change it slightly.
この場合は、
In this
こう
game,
めっちゃ振りぐらい。
and immediately turn around.
こっちじゃなくて、
So not pivoting with the axis to the left leg, you just spin the body around. Sorry, here, holding, and like here.
で、バック。
Put back.
バックです。バック。これで、respect, sir. Respect. で、出た場合は、
When you saw forward, you can come around. So there's two similar.
でバックに回すとき出て、ターン。こっちにします。
Okay, so we're gonna do this version where
はい、落とす。
I drop the weight, I step forward and swing, right to left, catch my left hand,
かける。
the left foot forward, catch on the throat, spin on the left leg, right leg goes back, and then swing twice. And done in this way, you do it in sequence without a stop, okay?
出る、出る。
Sending forward, turn around,
出る。
forward, spin around, forward, spin around. Okay? And then when you're finished, go to Jodan in this position and then across. Backward. He's walked in 3 steps, he stops. Now he advances and draws the cut. Okay, and like with the staff, you block this fashion. Advancing in with the right foot across, you strike with the weight in the right hand down to their right hand. Then loop it around the handle and pull away with the right step to clear the weapon. Then you swing, recover as before.
あ、で、
Okay? Slowly, please watch carefully. We've
春
blocked.
長の角度と同じ。
It's the same angle as with the staff. Okay?
でね、ここに、ノープレッシャー。
While pressing
ノー
in
プレッシ
right,
ャーで、
with this pressure, you enter with the right foot and straight down with the right hand. The weight in the right hand with the little finger, okay? Then loop it over the scat, the handle, and twist, make a loop and pull, and then swing.
で、
Then here, brace down to the side and then out.
what is?
So he's going to be the Maru, assuming the Saikaka. So the switch rolls. He's coming to cut his throat. You evade, 1 step behind, flip, and then cut the head, evade to this guard, and then cut the neck, right to left. Cutting their left neck, right to left. Your right to your left. They're laid down, turning the edge to your right. Then try and cut across their throat. They move back, flip your sword, and then cut your head. You evade overhead, and cut their neck from right to left. Then withdraw, and then transfer.
what is?
So he's going to be the Maru, assuming the Saikaka. So the switch rolls. He's coming to cut his throat. You evade, 1 step behind, flip, and then cut the head, evade to this guard, and then cut the neck, right to left. Cutting their left neck, right to left. Your right to your left. Okay? This position here, this upper level guard, when it cuts down, it's out of the way. He's gotten his body away. This is this upper level flow position. You receive in a flow with your arms up in Jodan. Don't clasp your hand. Don't grip strongly. It should just hang naturally in the hands. So, push, flip down, like so. The hands are on your center line, and it sits across your forearm.
1, 2.
This is no good. You're not blocking the sword. It flows off like rain off the roof, okay? The energy is redirected, okay? Like so.